Hi, my dear students. Today we are going to talk about Unit 2, Part 1. Part 1 is talking about the equation. Let's remember. If I want to find the missing number of 245 plus space equals 382. Okay, we know that in addition, the first number is part, the second number is part, and the sum is whole number because it's the biggest number in addition. Okay, in addition, first number is part, second is part, third, or the answer is the whole. So if I want to represent it in bar model, like in grade 4, we know that up is whole, which number 382, and down the two parts اللي yes 245 plus space we can call it x, and we call this model bar model. 245 we can express it like equation, so we can write it like 245 plus x equals 382, and we call this form equation. We talk about this in grade 4. So again, if I want to find the missing number in addition, we know that the first number is part, the second is part, and the total number is the whole. If I want to represent it in part model, we can draw this rectangle and divide it like this, and up we will put the whole, and down we will put the two parts, the number and the missing, we called it x. Okay, if I want to represent it like equation, we are going to write it like this, but we don't write the space. We will write variable or a missing letter like x, 245 plus x equal 382. Okay, so if I have x plus 245 equal 382, x plus 245 is expression. An expression. We called x plus 245 an expression. But x plus 245 equal 382, we called it equation. So the equation formed from expression and equal. Expression and equal. Okay? And we called the x variable. Again, x plus 245 without equal, we called it expression. If I add the equal, it will be equation, and the variable is x. Example, Shireen mass is 86.7 kilogram, where the mass of her sister Heidi is 65.5 kilogram. Shireen wrote the equation. Okay, she need to find the difference between their mass. Okay, so we will write 86.7 minus 65.5 equal b. Okay, this is the equation. Okay, b is the variable, and b represents the difference between the two mass. Okay, 5 plus x equal 10. 5 is, we have a deal that if we have addition, part, whole, right? Okay, the two parts we called it addend, and the whole we called it sum. Okay, again, part, whole, the two parts addend, and the answer or the total is sum. Okay, if we have difference or minus x minus 5 equal 10, first part is whole. In subtraction, the first number is the whole, because the whole is the biggest number in the equation. Okay, the whole is the biggest number. So in subtraction, the whole is the first number. Okay, whole and this is part, and this is part. Okay, here the whole in subtraction we called it minuend, minuend, minuend. Okay, and the second number we called it subtrend, 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 minuend, subtrend, minuend, subtrend. And the last number we called it the difference. The answer in subtraction we called it difference. Okay, so again, first number in subtraction, minuend. Okay, second number, subtrend. That the answer is difference. Okay, so if I want to calculate the value of x, we know that uh, here I want to calculate part. If I want to calculate part, we will make whole minus part. Whole minus part. So we'll make 10 minus 5 equal 5. Okay, in subtraction. Okay, here I want to calculate whole. If I want to calculate whole in whole, what are we going to do? We will make the two parts plus. So x equal 10 plus 5 equal 15. Okay, write an equation with a variable to represent each of the following. The sum of a number and 4.6 equal 8. Okay, so the number we will represent it by any letter. So let's represent it by x. So it will be x plus 4.6 equal 8. So this is the equation. Why we make plus? Because he told me that we have sum. A number if add to 2.8, the sum is 4.9. So we are going to write x 2.8 equal 4.9. Okay, if 8.95 is subtracted from a number, so we will write x minus 8.95 because he told me that subtracted. Okay, and equal 24.16. Solve the following equation, create bar model to solve the following problems. Letter A, m minus 4.25 equal 11.75. So we know that this is the whole, and this is part, and this is part. If I want to calculate whole, what are we going to do? Make the two parts plus. So m equal 11.75 plus 4.25. And let's put it in the bar model. We know that whole put it up and the two parts down. Okay. And the answer will be 16. Thank you.